Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you for clicking on my video. Today is a little bit different, the video I'm uploading, to what I normally do. I normally do upcycles, flips, and home DIY things, but today I'm doing a cake stand cover. I'm making one out of a bowl I had, and I never had actually a cake stand cover for this particular cake stand. It never came with one, and I would always just cover my cakes, slices and things in Glad wrap, and it really annoyed me because sitting on the bench it didn't look very good and it wasn't practical. So I found this Ikea bowl. Actually I have 4 of them, and I thought, I wonder if this would do as a cake stand cover. This is a wall hook that was my daughter's, and I thought I'd use it as a handle for the cake stand cover. So I painted it and I glued it on. I'm actually giving you the recipe for these little cupcakes at the end of the video. I was looking for cupcake recipe online and I found this. I do have a few, but this is the best one I've ever made, and I'll give the recipe to you at the end. I used my trusty Maxi Nails glue for this. The bottom of the bowl was a bit concave, so it sort of caved in and it wasn't flat, so I had to put quite a lot of glue on it to stick this white piece down, and then I just used Gorilla Glue for the glass flower. So I think it looks really cute. I think it looks really bougie. I mean, you can't compare this to the cling wrap, and I'm so pleased with it. But I had another idea. I'm just so pleased with the result. I think it looks so sweet. I mean, I think this would have cost a bit if I were to buy it, but I've never seen anything like this in shops. And it's actually cost me absolutely nothing. Everything I had here. And it gave me an idea. I didn't really want to stop there, so I actually made another one. This little crystal bowl I bought from the op shop for $1, and I made another smaller cake cover. I hope you guys like the videos. Just a quick one today. I want to wish everyone a very happy Easter, a safe holiday, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.